Welcome to my channel about the world of stickers. I will always share a little knowledge about how to install, wrap a motorcycle body in a motorcycle cover device. Hello friends, meet again on my channel DWI Kanawan channel about installing motorcycles and car stickers. But before that, for those of you who haven't joined my channel, friends can join by pressing the free subscription button, and friends can like and share with your close friends. And in this video I will give a show to you about the complete sticker of Yamaha Mio motorcycle with metallic red color matte. And this is the display. I'm the camera from the front left and right side, then continue to the back later, so the display is clear. Well, I finished my broadcast this time for Yamaha Mio Soul GT. I thank all of you who have subscribed to my channel, because you can expand my channel. Wait for my next video. Thank you.